Hello friends, happy RamNavmi. RamNavmi is the 9th day in Marathi year. So today we will see everything about 9, the magic with 9. For today's magic, we have my sister with us. Okay, for this magic, you can use this calculator. You can use any calculator you have. You can work this orally also with pen and paper. Now take any number on calculator. Not necessarily 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. You can take 100 digit number also. You can take any number of digit. Then multiply that number by 15. Multiply the number by 15. Then again multiply the number by 18. So multiply the number by 18. Then again press multiplication sign. And you can type any 3 or 4 digit number again. Any 3 or 4 digit number. So after multiplication of that numbers, press equal to sign. Now you have many digits with you. Now what you have to do? Just erase one digit out of that. Don't erase on calculator. Just think and remove that digit from your mind and combine the remaining numbers. Now you have two numbers, the original number with that digit and the other number without that digit. So what you have to do? Add up all digits in new number. So if your new number is 1341, then you have to add 1341 in mind. So add all the digits. What is your addition?
18.
So your addition is 18. Not your. Now her addition is 18. Your addition can be anything. Now I can think about that and I can tell you that you have erased 0.
Yes.
Is it correct? How to find that? Which digit she has erased or she has removed? Let's see. Okay. As I told previously, this is the magic of number 9. So let's see what is happening. First, I am telling you to take any one number. So you can take any one number of any digits, any number of digits. Now you will multiply that number by 15. You can multiply that number by 18. And you are multiplying that number by any other number, any 3 or 4 digit. Again, it is not necessary. This is 3 or 4 digit number. You can take any number here. So these two numbers are not important. What is important is these two numbers. Again, it is not necessary that you have to take only these two numbers. You can take any two multiples of 3. Any two multiples of 3. So this is 3 into 5, 15. And this is 3 into 6, 18. 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 6, 18. Again, these two numbers are not important. What is important is these two 3's. That's why we are taking this any two multiples of 3. So let's take example. Suppose number is 123. Now 123 into 15 into 18 into any such number, let's take 5. We can take more digit number also. So let's see what is its answer. 123 into 15 into 18 into 5 is 1,66,050. So let's say we are cancelling this digit 5. Let's say we are cancelling 5. So addition of the remaining digits will be 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 0, 13. 13 plus 0, 13. So addition of remaining digits is 13. Suppose we add this number, the remaining number which we have already cancelled, to this number, we get the addition as 18, which is multiple of 9. The reason we are checking for multiple of 9 is that divisibility of 9 says if sum of digits is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Number is divisible by 9. So we are multiplying this number or the number taken by the other person by 9 in two parts. First by 3, again by 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. So it doesn't matter what the remaining numbers are. Important thing is the one factor is 9, which means this number is multiple of 9. So if we are cancelling 5, so addition will be 5 less than any multiple of 9. So if this is 18, we will check the next multiple of 9. So next multiple of 9 to 13 is 18. Then we will subtract this number 18 minus 13. So answer will be 5. So we can tell other person that you have cancelled 5. Let's take another example. Suppose the number taken by other person is 5. You have multiplied it by 3. Again you will tell him to multiply by 6. Again you will tell him to multiply by any number, and let's say he multiply by 4. So 5 into 3 is 15. 15 into 6 is 90. 90 into 4 is 360. So answer will be 360. Suppose he cancels 0. Then the addition will be 3 plus 6, 9. But 9 itself is multiple of 9. So if the addition is itself multiple of 9, then we will subtract that number, or this is not necessary. If it is already multiple of 9, we can say you have cancelled 0. If the addition is already multiple of 9, then we can say you have cancelled 0. And if it is not multiple of 9, we will subtract that number from its next multiple of 9, so that we can find that digit which is already cancelled by the other person. Then you can ask why the divisibility of 9 only, because divisibility of 3 is also similar. If sum of digits is divisible by 3, then number is divisible by 3. Then why this trick doesn't work with 3? Number of digits in our number system except 0 are 9. So we can use the divisibility of 9. If there is other number system which have numbers 3 other than 0, that will be base 4 number system. Base 4 number system. In that system we can use divisibility of 3 to do these tricks. So let's say in base 4 the number is 123. In base 4 number system there will be only 4 digits, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Only these 4 digits. So if you multiply this number by 3, we cannot actually multiply this number by 3 according to our multiplication method, because we cannot write any digit out of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we cannot multiply these numbers directly in our regular method. We have to add up the new method of multiplication for base 4 numbers. So we are adding 123 3 times. So 123 plus 123 plus 123. 3 plus 3 is 6 in base 10 numbers. 6 plus 3 9. So we cannot write here 9. We have to check how many 4s can fit in 9. So there are 2 complete 4. So we can write here carry over of 2, and the remainder is 1. So here is 1. Again 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 4 8. So again in 8 we can fit the 2 4s. If we divide it by 4, we can get the quotient as 2. Again remainder will be 0. Again 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. If we divide 5 by 4, then quotient will be 1 and remainder will be 1. So remainder 1 and quotient 1. There is no other column to add, so we will write here 1 as it is. So the addition of 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 in base 4 16, that is 1 8s, 2 4s and 3 1s. That addition 3 times will be 1 1 0 1 in base 4. So if we cancel any of this digit like this, if we cancel any of this digit and tell other person to add the remaining digits 1 plus 1 2, then we have to check the next multiple of 3 to this number. So next multiple of 3 for 2 is 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So we can recognize that he is erased number 1 or digit 1. In same way, you can create the magic for divisibility by 27 using base 28 number system. It will be very difficult and complicated also. I will not show this here, but you can try that at your own. So I think you have understood how to perform this trick with base 10 and base 4 system. And that's it. Thank you.